This is the BougeRV parallel solar panel cable. This is a connector that allows me to connect both these solar panels in parallel to our EcoFlow River 2 Max right here. So the way it works is that it has MC4s. Boom! This one is from BougeRV right there. It comes in a set of 2 of these. As you see, you have one side that is the positive terminal and it connects to 2 of these. And you have this terminal over here that connects to 2 of these. So the way this works is you normally have your MC4 to XT60 cable that will connect to your power bank, like the EcoFlow River 2 Max right here. So back here you have the XT60. So this is the XT60 that will connect to your solar power bank right here, your solar generator. Then it usually has MC4 connection, but only one. So if you want to connect the 2 solar panels in series, you can, and that's a different story. But if you want to connect them in parallel, that's where these 2 connectors come into place. So you got one side here that obviously connects to your cable, boom, like that. It snaps in. Ooh, really high quality connection. I love it. And this one right here connects to this one. Boom. So now our power bank is connected to cables so that you have 2 inputs as parallel. You have these 2 parallels. So for this one, you can connect this solar panel right here to this one. Boom. Right there. So now this solar panel is going to be parallel, and then you got your MC4 from that solar panel over there that you can connect over here. So that's how you use it. So here we can undo this and get some length. So if I take out this cable over here and take out this over here, so you got your cable here. So now this one is wired in parallel right there. So now we can connect the other solar panel through here. And the way you get to that cable is for this solar panel. This one is the green pulse solar panel, by the way. And all the solar panels should have your MC4 connections. This is the green pulse, and it also has the XT60 cable included. But what we care about is the MC4. So this is the MC4 from this solar panel over here. So we could grab the MC4 here. Boom, there's the MC4. We can close up our little pouch here, keeping that nice and tidy. And then you can see how this solar panel now can connect to our EcoFlow via this parallel splitter. So this one will connect over here, boom, just like that. And then the other cable can connect like this, boom, right? And then we have the 2 BougeRV pair that now will connect both of the solar panel in parallel with the XT60 cable right here that will then connect to our solar generator over here. So that is how you use a cable for parallel wiring right here from BougeRV parallel cables right there.